Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 4 standard subject maths board metric chapter 1 metric measures. So in metric measures exercise 1.3, so we have already completed A, B, C and then D in previous class we have completed. So today we are going to start E, convert into grams and milligrams, convert into grams and milligrams. See, listen children, this is in milligram, we are going to convert into gram, okay. So kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, then milligram. So we are going to convert milligram into gram, milligram into gram. So 1 milligram equal to how many grams? 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 gram. 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 gram. So 3292 milligram equal to 3292 divided by 1000 gram. So tell me in decimal form fraction, how will you write in decimal form? See, in the denominator 3 zeros are there. So how will you write? 3 decimal places you have to leave, 1, 2, 3. So 3.9292 gram. So this is nothing but 3 gram and then 292 milligram. 3 grams, 292 milligrams. Next one, 4006 milligram. We are going to convert milligram into gram. So 1 milligram equal to how many grams? 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 gram. 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 gram. So 4006 milligram equal to 4006 milligram equal to 4006 by 1000. 4006 by 1000 gram. So in the denominator how many zeros? 3 zeros are there. So we have to leave 3 decimal places, 1, 2, 3. So 4.006 gram. So we can write answer 4006 milligram equal to how many grams, then how many milligrams children? So before the decimal 4 gram and then we can write 6 milligram. So before the number zeros, so it has no value, so we can write 6 milligram. So 4 gram and then 6 milligram. Next one, 98,742 milligram. So listen, 1 milligram equal to how many grams? 1 milligram equal to 1 by 1000 grams. So 98,742 milligram equal to 98,742 by 1000 gram. See in the denominator 1000, so 3 zeros. So what we should do? We have to leave 3 decimal places, okay. So 98742, how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So how many grams, how many milligrams children? 98 grams, 742 milligrams. So answer 98,742 milligram equal to 98 gram and then 742 milligrams. Next one, convert into kiloliters and liters. See, they have given in liters, we are going to convert into kiloliters and liter. See, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, then milliliter. So we are going to convert liter into kiloliter, liter into kiloliter. So 1 liter equal to how many kiloliters, children? 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliter. 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliter. So 2800 liter equal to 2800 by 1000. 2800 by 1000 kiloliter. So tell me the decimal places. See how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So 2.800 kiloliter. So how many kiloliters? How many liters? 2 kiloliters and then 800. So 2800 liter equal to how many kiloliters? 2 kiloliters, then 800 liters. Next one, same, we are going to convert liter into kiloliter. So 1 liter equal to how many kiloliters? 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliter. 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliter. So 9080 liter equal to 9080 by 1000 kiloliter. See here also in the denominator 1000. So we should leave 3 decimal places. So 9.080 kiloliter. So how many kiloliters? How many liters, children? So before the decimal, that is left side of the decimal is kiloliter, then right side of the decimal is the liters. So how many kiloliters? How many liters? 9 kiloliters, then 80 liters. See 0, no need to write the 0 here, okay. So answer is 9080 liter equal to 9 kiloliter, then 80 liter. Next one, 9999 liter. So we are going to convert liter into kiloliter. So 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliter. 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 kiloliter. So 9999 liter equal to 9999 liter equal to 9999 divided by 1000 kiloliter. See, look at the denominator, children, 1000. So how many decimal places we have to leave? 3 decimal places, because here in the denominator 3 zeros. So 9.999 kiloliter. So how many kiloliters? Then how many liters? 9 kiloliters and then 999 liters equal to 9999 liter equal to 9 kiloliters, then 999 liter. Next one, convert into liters and milliliters. See, they have given in milliliter. We are going to convert into liters and milliliters. So kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, then milliliter. So we are going to convert milliliter into liter. Milliliter into liter. So 1 milliliter equal to how many liters, children? 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter. 1 by 1000 liter. So 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So 1750 milliliter equal to 1750 divided by 1000 liter. So here also in the denominator 1000, so 3 zeros. So we should leave 3 decimal places. So 1.750 liter. So how many liters, then how many milliliters? So 1 liter 750 milliliter. So answer 1750 milliliter equal to 1 liter 750 milliliter. Next one, 3005 milliliter. So 1 milliliter equal to how many liters, children? 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter. 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So 3005 milliliter equal to 3005 by 1000. 3005 milliliter equal to 3005 by 1000 liter. So in the denominator 1000, so 3 decimal places, so 3.005 liter. So how many liters, how many milliliters? 3005 milliliter equal to, how many liters children? 3 liters. Then how many milliliters? Only you should write 5. No need to write 005 because before the number if zeros are there it has no value. So you can write 3 liter and then 5 milliliter. Next one, 6858 milliliter. So 1 milliliter equal to how many liters children? 1 by 1000 liter. So 6858 milliliter equal to 6858 by 1000. 6858 by 1000 liter. So how many decimal places? 3 decimal places. So 6.858 liter. So how many liters, how many milliliters? 6858 milliliter equal to 6 liter 858 milliliter. So we have completed exercise 1.3. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.